Hey guys, if you're trying to open Steam on your computer and it's just not opening, then stick with me, as in this video I'm going to share with you all the different ways you can fix this issue. Unfortunately, there is no one fix-all solution, so you will need to go through each of these methods to find the one that works for you. So let's jump straight into it, and the first thing we're going to do is head into our task manager by either pressing Ctrl-Alt-Delete on the keyboard or come into the start menu and searching for Task Manager. At the top in this search box, you just want to type in Steam, and we want to make sure that we don't have any processes of Steam currently running. And if we do see anything in here, just right click on the process and select End Task. Then we can come out of this menu and you want to find the Steam shortcut on your computer. And we just need to right click it, come into Properties, and then come over to the Compatibility tab. Inside of here, you want to make sure Disable Full Screen Optimizations is ticked. And also Run this program as administrator is ticked. And then we can just press Apply and OK to save the changes. The next thing we want to do is come back to the Start menu, but this time we're going to search for Windows Defender. And we're just going to check our firewall settings by coming in the Windows Defender icon. On the left here where it says Allow an Apple feature through Windows Defender Firewall, just click this, and then you need to come over to the Change Settings to allow us to make changes to this list. And then scroll all the way down and see if you can find Steam in this list. As you can see, I've got it listed here. I need to make sure both private and public are selected. If you don't have Steam in this list, say for example if I remove this, then what you need to do is select Allow another app, come over to Browse, and you want to select the Steam application. If you're not sure where it's located, then just head to the Start menu, search for Steam, and we can right click and select Open File Location. Then we can just copy all of this top bit up here, come back into our firewall, and then we can paste everything we just copied up here, hit Enter, and then select the Steam app and select Add. And then as you can see, it's now listed down here, and we can select both private and public, and then just select OK. Next thing you need to do is back to the Start menu, and this time we're going to search for Run. Select the Run icon, and inside of here you want to type in %, local app data, %, and then hit Enter. Scroll all the way down to find the Steam folder, and we just want to right click on the Steam folder and press the trash icon to delete it. And then you can just press Continue if you get this message pop up. Then we're going to come back to the Start menu and search for Run again, select the Run icon, and this time we're going to type in Steam : // flush config, and then hit Enter. And then once you've done all of these steps, we can close out of here and we can try launching the Steam application to see if it's working. Now, if that still doesn't work, the very last thing we can do is come back to the Start menu, and this time we're going to search for Programs. Select Add or Remove Programs, and then scroll down this list to find the Steam application. Once you've found Steam from this list, just select these three little dots and you're going to hit Uninstall. And then once you've successfully uninstalled Steam, you just need to head to an internet browser and you're going to come to store.steampowered.com. And then we can just click this Install Steam button at the top here and follow the steps to reinstall Steam to your computer. Now hopefully by following all of these steps, that's now fixed the issue of Steam not launching on your computer. But if you still are experiencing a problem, please drop a comment below and I'll try my best to assist you. If this video did help you, please drop a like and subscribe. Until next time.